Hello beauties, welcome back to my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner using my Glownique Aura makeup brushes. My makeup brush set contains two brushes that are entirely dedicated to the eyeliner. So these two are eyeliner brushes and it's the M24 and M25 over here. Like they literally have the same effect, depends on what you're more comfortable using. This is like more pointy and this is a little bit, as you can see, slanted shaped. I hope it shows. Okay, so for today I am going to use this pointy one because I feel like this creates, even if the effect is virtually the same in the end, I feel very comfortable using this because it allows me to do, I feel, a very precise wing with this one. So using my M24 brush, this pointy one, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm going to show you, this is like a cream liner. It's it's a lock-on liner and brow cream. So it's a product that you can use both as an eyeliner and as a eyebrow product. However, I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. You can see that it's like a dark brown. Okay, and what color is this? Medium brown, in fact. I'm going to show you how I do my winged liner using the makeup brushes. So I'm going to take the brush, I'm going to dip the brush inside of the product, and I'm going to show you how to apply. So staying very close to your lash line so it allows more precision. You start applying your liner in small sections like this. And going very light to allow precision and working in small sections. Because if you work in small section and go slowly, like going in gentle strokes like this and connecting, you're going to have a much more precise line. Okay, and I arrived over here. I didn't arrive all the way down to the end of my lash line over here. I stopped a little bit earlier. Now I'm taking a little bit more product and now preparing to do the wing. Like I said, I didn't arrive all the way down here because now we want to work upwards doing the wing. Hope that it's close enough for you to see. And I'm going to create the wing. But I definitely need a little bit more product. Perfect. Doing the wing upwards. Like this. area over here. Now we're going to do the other side. Now before I do the other side, I clean my brush a little bit with some paper, just to remove the excessive product, because we're starting another line on this side. So, going to start. In small sections. Going closer and closer to this area here, doing it lighter and tighter. Working in small sections here. I picked up some more product because I'm closer to do the wing now. So again, I don't arrive all the way to the end, because otherwise when I do the wing will be too low. So I want to stop a little bit before and going here, working upwards, and we want to match the two lines so they can look as closer as possible one to the other one. You can see I need more product to do that wing, so like this. Adding more color. And checking that they match. They do. Adding more color if we need to. And now we can add the mascara just to add more intensity. Okay, as a mascara I'm using this Tarte Man Eater mascara in black, obviously, and I'm just going to apply more mascara. I already had some mascara on before I was doing the winged liner, but I want to put more mascara now. And same on the other side. This a little bit underneath. I like to work the mascara in this direction in my lower lashes, just because it gives more of like a cat eye look. and that would be it. This is how I apply the eyeliner using my makeup brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye beauties.